Hello everyone, I am Deepak Sawant. Welcome you to my channel Apollo CBSE Classes. Today we are going to solve very important MCQ on class 10th trigonometry. So question is that if cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin phi is equal to 1 by 2, then what is the value of tan theta plus phi is equal to? And your options are option A root 3, option B 1 by root 3, option C 1 and option D not defined. So student, here we have given that cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So as we know that cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So therefore cos theta is equal to cos 30 is equal to cos 30. Now cos cuts, so therefore theta is equal to 30. Now sin phi is equal to 1 by 2. So as we know that sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore sin phi is equal to sin 30 is equal to sin 30. Now sin cuts, so therefore phi is equal to 30. Phi is equal to 30. Now tan theta plus phi, tan theta plus phi is equal to, so therefore tan theta is equal to 30 plus phi is equal to 30. So it is equal to tan 60 degree. Now what is the value of tan 60? So value of tan 60 is root 3. So our correct option is option A. So student, this is very simple MCQ, but this MCQ frequently asked in your board exam. So thank you very much for watching today video lecture. Keep watching and keep study. Take care. Thank you very much.